Poor Floki. When I was cuddling him, I felt something hard sticking out of his chest. In the beginning I thought it was a feather pen, but it was much thicker. When I take a closer look, it was a sort like stick sticking out of his chest, maybe a piece from the fence. I must take it out. I have to disinfect it first, otherwise I can't find the wound again in this thick layer of feathers. I also have to clean and disinfect my hands well, because I can't wear gloves right now. Floki loves to pick in my gloves, and then I can't get it done in a safe and correct way. After washing, sanitizing my hands and the wounds properly, it was time to take it out. It didn't go easy because it was really stuck in his skin. I have to take it out in 2 pieces. One part from the top and the smaller part from the bottom of the wound. It didn't bleed at all. The color is from the iodine. Here you see the line where it was in the skin and the smaller part that I removed from the bottom side. Afterwards, I get some extra cuddles from him. He didn't seem very impressed. The wound healed very quickly, thankfully. Here he is, happy as always.